Hi again, Kevin Gallagher from Mental Performance Coaching, and welcome to our 12 days to Christmas Yule-tide vlog, day number 9. It's nearly time to crack open that celebration bubbly. And in today's tip, I want to share with you a process of making sure you set yourself up to achieve your happiest, most productive and meaningful year so far.
On the 9th day of Christmas, my true love sent to me.
Now this time of year, many people go into planning mode. They're ready to ring out the changes and set some ambitious, meaningful goals. Yet, there are some things we need to let go of because they can be obstacles to us achieving our goals. And we're going to go looking for those obstacles in 3 places. And the first place is to look at any old goals or projects that are circling around in your head and have been for quite some time. You know, the ones that keep getting put onto the plan year in, year out, but you just never get around to achieving them. The danger is here that on closer inspection we can sometimes create a photocopied life. There are business owners out there that have been in business for 10 years, yet in truth they've been in business for 1 year, just repeated it 10 times. They're just photocopied years. And remember, if you're not growing, you're going backwards. So take a look at those reoccurring goals and projects and be brutally honest this time. Is it time to let go of them? Are they really your goals, or do they belong to someone else? Are they just nice to have goals? Or are they the dreaded I'll be happy when goals that just never work? Old goals are a bit like leftover food in the fridge. At one point it looked really tasty, but over time it's become a little less appetizing because it may have gone a little bit mouldy. So look at those old goals and projects and make the decision to let them go, because they're baggage that you're carrying around in your head and they're taking up valuable brain space and weighing you down. Another obstacle could be anger, upsets or resentments, emotional baggage that you're carrying, which if you release will make your life a whole lot lighter. Is there anybody out there that you need to forgive? And remember, that could include yourself, by the way. And even if you don't know how you're going to do it, at least start the process by writing down who you're going to forgive. And then the third major obstacle are those limiting beliefs or stories that no longer serve you. For instance, I'm not good enough. I'm not clever enough. I'm not very good at. Things like that don't happen to people like me. Or maybe you need to let go of some of your excuses. For instance, I haven't got time, or I'm too old, or I'm not very good at this networking thing. Truth be known, everybody walking this earth has way more potential than they realise. And that includes you and me. And you need to give yourself some credit for the remarkable human being you truly are. And perhaps commit to going easier on yourself in the future. Now, Christmas and New Year is a great time to draw a line in the sand and let go of the nonsense that could be holding you back. So write down a list of old goals, old projects, angers, resentments, limiting beliefs and excuses that are holding you back from experiencing and achieving the life you truly want. And imagine just how great 2021 could be without you having to carry all this old emotional baggage around with you. And now, with your newfound lightness and extra thinking space, you can go create the life you've always wanted. It only works, so give it a go. You'll thank me later. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow for Christmas tip number 10. Now go out there and you make it a cracking day.